How's it going, everybody? Jake from StratGeeks coming at you. Going to do a market replay from June 3rd, which is the first trading day of June. So from June 3rd here, all the way till the 18th, which is the last market replay day of the 624 contract. So this should be entertaining for some, and you might want to play it on an extra fast forward for others. Anyway, I'm not really going to do any commenting. I'm just going to basically let this thing run and everybody can check it out, and we'll see how it goes. Oh, and I should probably also mention this is the regular NQ template running on MNQ, because I don't feel like dealing with a trade copier. I want to see if we can get this done without a trade copier, people. That's what we want to see. So this is the regular NQ small opening range template running on MNQ 3-minute. This is the template that's available in our VIP templates area, the main one that we've all been using. And we're going to let this run here. It's going to take trades on opening range days anywhere from 100 to 225. And our target and stop is going to be down here. We have a 200% stop and 145% target, no break evens. Could be a good idea for another videos. We could actually incorporate some of those break evens in on a market replay. So we are going to check this out, folks, and we're going to see how she goes. And let's see here. In 10 minutes, we will form our opening range. And our opening range is complete. We have an opening range today of 206 ticks on the MNQ. We are market replaying at max replay speed. I'm drinking some coffee. Maybe I'll comment on the first few trades, maybe just on the first day. So this template starts trading at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, continues trading all the way till 1:59, I believe, or 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if there is a trade open at, I think, 2:03, then the system will automatically close that trade.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Turn that volume down. There we go. All right, so we had a pullback, limit order filled for a sell and a target. And I believe this is also one trade per window is what we are allowed here. So if we go into our strategies, we can see we have one trade per window, and per window means sell zone or buy zone. This is a sell zone here, this is red. Then we turn into a green zone. This is our ORS buy sell zone indicator, proprietary. Special secret sauce there. And let's see what this one turns into. And target 5 micros only. We keep the drawdown as small as possible while maximizing our profits as much as we can. And that's 3 wins on this day. And I did not cherry pick. I can't exactly cherry pick because we're going right straight through the last contracts for 624 MNQ. The idea is to get the last contracts through June. I can't just cherry pick a day in the middle of all this. And we'll see that it ends up with quite a nice sample size. So let's see if we give any money back. Nope, I'm not going to give any money back. This is why we got to, push through and get these big days, folks. And we do give a little bit of money back there. And we're coming up on the end of the template. Now we make some back. And that's the end of the day. How does that look? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go watch a movie, actually. Happy Friday here. It is the 21st of June. I'm going to go watch a movie, and let this continue to record, and then I'm going to post it for us. And anybody who is new to Fusion ORS Fusion can check out how it trades, what the trades look like in real time, although these will be quite fast. If you want to see in detail how and why, or more like why ORS Fusion takes its trades, then you can see the, I believe it's HR detailed video and the training video. They're both an hour long, and those are on the YouTube. So we're just through the middle of the night session now. And while this is happening, I guess I can explain. So down here is the ADX. If the ADX in this case is above 10, we will be taking trend trades, which is the direction of the EMA. If it is below, if this little number here, this 42, if that is below 10, we'll be taking range trades, which are the opposite direction of the EMA. Simply speaking, simply put. I'll go through one more day with you guys. And this is historical data market replay for NinjaTrader 8. Some people argue that this is more accurate than backtesting. But one of the things that I wanted to achieve with this video is, one, giving myself more confidence that this is a good template, and I want to see it happening, trading real live. Price action, I guess it's historical live price action, and yeah, I just wanted to see it in real time. Oh, and to see if we can actually get away from the trade copiers. I know in historical data tests, the static tests, we have found that it seems like it would be better to trade NQ and cross trade it to MNQ, but what if that's not the case? What if we can just do, what if we can do this? This is another way to look at the backtest, basically. It's an action way. All right, so we can see here this day is actually not going to trade because our opening range is 277. So this would be where the large opening range template comes into play. And there's also a school of thought that maybe we only need this template. Maybe if it's over 225, we just don't trade it. So I'll do another video eventually where it's where we're just trading the large opening range. But for right now, I just want to get clear, concise data on exactly what the small opening range template would have done from the beginning of June till the ending of the 6/24 contract, again, which is on the 18th. All right, I'm just going to let this play, and I'll be back in to check periodically. I wouldn't be surprised if this video ends up taking an hour as she rolls through here. And we'll just come in and do a little check, see how things are going. It looks like we are on the 11th, and we just had a bunch of wins, bunch of losses. Yeah, win, 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 loss, win, win, loss, win, win, win. That's a good day. That was the 11th. Yep, just double checking. That should be the 11th. And that was 166 tick opening range. Pretty cool to see this, huh? Confidence inspiring for our main NQ / now MNQ possibly template with 5 micros. Yeah, we're about 30 minutes in. Yeah, it's probably about an hour video here. But I think it's worth it. You know, you can always play this on double speed or whatever on YouTube. Whoa, that was, oh, that's crazy. That's one of those 8:30 a.m. news events. Good. That should probably be good as far as our candle size again. And we're centered on data scale, so we should be good. All right, I'm just going to let it do its thing. And just checking in again. A few days left in this contract. And we're on 6:14. 10 o'clock or so in the morning. Our opening range has formed. Looks like it's 186 ticks from here to here. The low and then the high, this pink dotted line. And we should get ready to start taking our first trade. Did I say 10 o'clock earlier? 10:30 is when our first trades will attempt to be executed by, or starting from. Starts this day off with a loss. A little bit of a data hiccup here with our ADX, so I'm not quite sure what that trade was. Exactly supposed to be, but you know, is what it is. So starting out with a couple losses here in a row, see if we can make something back. Holding steady. And we got a win. And another win. Back up above that $2,000 threshold. Almost enough for a payout on a PA. For a 50K PA, all you need is a $2,600 to request a payout on a 50K PA. One hour to go left in this template. And almost to that PA threshold level. Will we make it? Nope. So 13:30 actually, yeah. So 10:30 to 1:30 p.m. is this template. I was thinking about another template, but yeah, that's correct. So we have, how many more days do we have left to go here? So 14, 2 more days. And this was, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This will be 12 trading days total for this contract in June. And again, not all of those days were traded due to some of them being the large OR days. So I'll come back here in a moment. 14. Now the weekend's going to be pushing through the weekend here on max speed market replay. ORS Fusion. So we basically just need Monday the 17th and Tuesday the 18th on MNQ. And now we can see our time stops, but it continues to roll through up here on our playback timer. The bar timer stops because that's the weekend. But we'll resume here in a few moments. And I will be back to say goodbye and shut the video down, and we'll see if we can make it to that 2600 in this specified period of time. You know, that's the whole deal, you know, with these 5 micros on the MNQ, especially if, you know, we actually do trade the MNQ and we don't do the trade copy cross order thing. Can you make it from when you start trading the account, or not can, well, I guess can, or if or when, from when you start trading that PA account to the 2600 and then take a payout? And we have had customers who have been making payouts. So it's just really about, you know, how long is it going to take? It's about when you get on the bus. When do you start trading your PA, or when do you start trading your eval account? And how big do you want to trade it? Do you want to trade a 150K and have a $5,000 drawdown available to you and look for a $9,000 target for Apex? Or do you want to try a 50K account and have a $2,500 drawdown available and try to hit a $3,000 target? Many, many ways to skin the cat. I hope you all find this video useful. I know I sure would. I'm actually finding it useful just sitting here. Let's call out a couple trades here coming up on the 9 o'clock hour here in just a moment. And the market will open in a few seconds, and we're open at 9:30. Now we put in our high and our low off this first candle. We make a new low. Previous day's opening range is 186. Not even sure if this day will qualify to be traded with this template. It has to be under 225 ticks. It's looking kind of big, but I don't have context yet. I could get the ruler out. What do we got? 184. Yep, 183 ticks. So we will be trading here at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. And we can see our ADX is well above 10. So we'll be taking trend trades to start the day. Long above EMA, short below EMA. Again, watch that. There's two 1-hour videos that will explain exactly how ORS Fusion takes its trades, why it takes its trades. There's our first trade of the day. And starts with a loss. Second trade, order filled, and win. Order filled for a long. Creeping up, almost hits the target right there. And target. $125 away from being qualified to request a payout on Apex. Let's see what this one does. And there you have it, folks. That is including commission. That's $2,639. That would qualify as being able to make a payout of $2,000, which would leave you $600 of a pad. And if you wanted to, you could reduce your contract size all the way to 1 micro and maybe even build that $600 pad right back up again. Beautiful. So now we could finish this day out with about 3,000. That's including commissions, and we would have our payout. We're going to go ahead and do the one more day, though. And we're just going to blast through the rest of this day and through the overnight again. This is almost $3,000. You could take out $2,000 for your first payout request on a 50K Apex account, leaving you with a $600 payout, or you could decide to take out $1,000 and leave yourself with about a $1,600 cushion. And then you could even reduce from 5 micros to 2 micros as you build that $1,000 back up to the $1,600 cushion back up to the $2,500 cushion. Lots of ways to do things here, folks. So this whole day, yeah, was indeed trend trades. We never dropped below that yellow line. Almost. Power of the standard deviations here. And for all of you that don't have any idea what's going on with these buttons over here, you can actually tell ORS Fusion in real time whether or not you would like it to take automatic trend or range trades, or if you would like to tell it to just take the range or just take the trend trades. You can tell it to only go long or only go short. But right now we're just on full auto mode. Now we'll go through this last day here with you folks. Nice. It looks like the video is going to be under an hour. Seems like all the videos I've been making lately have been about an hour, so makes sense. There we go. There's a little 8:30 a.m. news event. Just happening there. All right, let's get it going. And the market is open 9:30. Opening range forming. And we got our high and our low of our opening range. Opening range complete at 152 ticks. Let's see what this day brings. And then we're going to call it done because the market replay will literally stop playing after this day because the contract rolls over to this to the 9/24 contract. There's a lot to learn here in futures trading, folks, but I am willing to help folks learn even from the ground up. I help you learn it. Great, there you go. 2 wins to start the day. 3 wins to start the day. 1 could consider being done right there. Make their payout. But we're going to finish this template up. See what day brings. And this is, okay, then we get a loss there. It's all right. This is the 18th Tuesday. If we were to take all these trades on full auto, 5 micros. And we'll show you that here in the strategy settings. One last time before we go. Position size, 5 micros. This is the spot to change however much you want to risk. This is the spot. Position size, 5 in this case. Another hour and a half left to go. We'll shut this video down. In real time, probably only next 3 minutes probably. Will we end on a loss or will we end on a win? There's a win. Looks like we're going to trade again next window, and we should see this close out automatically, and there we have it, folks. All right, so we can see $3,268, not cherry picked. I didn't cherry pick any days to not trade or trade in here. We started trading on the 3rd of June, so we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 trading days, and out of those 12 trading days, a few of those days would have been traded by the large OR, but as we can see here, folks, we didn't need the large OR template. We only needed this, and with 5 micros, we did not draw down too hardcore at any given point. Let's check that out. Strategy performance, ORS Fusion 1.4, real-time and historical. $2,767, $259 trade. Oh, okay. So this isn't actually telling me. This isn't showing me. That's strange. It's not actually showing me the whole slew of trades for some reason. It is market replay. If you want to look at the stats that way, it's better to, because if we can see here, it's better to look at just the backtest data. So we can see here our trades did indeed go from the June 3rd. We can see those trades are executing here. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, my computer's starting to run a little slow. 4. That'll happen with market replay. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. So 10 days out of, what did we say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10 days out of 12. We did indeed trade the small opening range template for $3,268, and that is with commissions included. And something's going on here with the real time and historical. So we can see our commissions was 500, or maybe this is not including commissions. Well, either way, that's a great result. It's 2,700. That is still enough to take. Yeah, but see here, it only goes till the 16th. We started trading on the 14th. So this for some reason is missing 2 days of trades. We can see here start date 2016. In fact, you know what might be better to do? Well, we'll leave it here at this. This is commissions included, 3,200. And then the next thing that we could do, well, I think that's good enough for this video. It's under an hour. We could do some more digging and diving, but I really just wanted to show you folks the way that this thing trades through market replay. And yeah, we're ending the day here. Well, you can see it. You know, I didn't mess with anything. You saw all the trades all happen in their historical market replay time. So $3,268, and that should be including commissions. Let's see if it shows here on. And even if it didn't, it's 500 in commissions. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Great. Okay, I'm glad we heard this up. So for some reason over here is not showing commissions, but over here is showing commissions. But it's still strange that it's not showing us. It could sometimes, and I don't know if anybody's realized this, but sometimes these dates here are not accurate. But I'm glad we pulled up the control center. That's 2,700, and I believe if we just right click here and go to properties, and we can include commissions, commission name. And where is it? It's here somewhere. Total commissions. There we go. There we go. Yeah, 500. So that makes sense. All right, great. I don't know why the dates are a little whacked out, but as any of you know who've done back testing, sometimes these dates can be a little bit whacked out. But we saw it in the recording. We started on the 14th. On the 3rd, rather. But for some reason, this is the start date, end date here. This could have something to do with the contract starting to roll over. I don't know. But we saw here on the video from the 3rd of June till the 18th. All right, folks. Jake from StratGeeks and signing out.